Hi, everybody. I'm James Cebulski. It is so easy to feel the energy in this building tonight. Both teams should feed off it, and it should be a great matchup. Centers glide into position for the opening draw. And we have finally got things going here in period number 1. And he takes the dish. Handles the pass from the right side. Hammers him in the open ice.
He knew exactly what he was doing with that hit this early in the game. He's trying to send a message and dictate the pace.
And there's the save. Takes the feed at the back end. A chance. Look at that hit. Maybe try to wear down the opponents here. Oh, look at this chance. Takes a shot. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from?
We see goaltenders working on reaction time all the time. Why? For shots like this, you just have to react. It's instincts that make the save.
Lots of time left in this period. We've still got zeros on the board. Anchorage has got possession here in their own end. Carries it across the line. Puts it on net. Denies him. He got all of it. There's the whistle as the goalie hangs on. Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. Still no score in this one. Anchorage has won the draw, and they'll go to work. And that one's turned away. Denies him again.
What a sequence. I mean, he's been outstanding, making consecutive saves. I mean, his defense, they got to start playing.
And both centers glide into the dot as a face-off set to resume. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. How's that for a little rock'em sock'em?
That's rock'em sock'em, and that's separating puck from player, isn't it, James? Man, he's not going to feel good.
Here's the puck. Into the offensive zone down the right wing. Passes it over. Gets a piece of it and will play on. Wins the draw inside his defensive zone. Good, solid check, and he loses control of it. Reads it perfectly in the defensive end. The Blizzards move to the offensive zone. Quick shot! Denied by the puck stopper. There's the whistle as the puck stopper elects to hang on. More than half the period has expired. Still scoreless in this one. Anchorage has won it. Now they'll go on the attack. Wrister. And off the draw, they'll take possession. Moves it to Maurer. From along the boards, moves the puck ahead. And he takes the feed. Denied on the play! Whoa!
Oh, you don't practice that one in goalie sessions, James. You just have to have fight and compete to get to that puck. He has all of it, and he makes the save.
Fires it on net. And there's the save on the play. Buffalo's looking to break out. Shakes himself free. Shot! Turned aside with the glove. There's the whistle as the puck is frozen out. Some last-second communication with the D as centers get ready to drop the puck. Belmar's won the face-off, and now let's see what they can do. Big-time stop there.
Reaction time is so critical for goaltenders because the way the players shoot in this game today, man, it is so tough to stop. So this one, instincts. Glove goes up, makes the save.
Buffalo's got the puck along the wall. And he takes the feed. Here's a chance. Oh, what a save. He gloved that one. later stages of this period, we're still scoreless. Buffalo's won the draw inside the offensive zone. Now let's see what they can do with it. Here's a shot. Sacrifices the body. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. And he maintains possession of the puck here. Puck is frozen, and we get a stoppage in play. Haas wins the offensive zone face-off, and here we go. Dishes it off. Here's a shot. Oh, what a glove save. Wow! And the puck stopper hangs on to get a breather here for the team. Anchorage is going to start with the puck inside the offensive zone. Both teams getting a good sweat on after this first period. We've got lots more in store, and we're coming back with a clean sheet of ice hands. Opening face-off here in this second period is about set to go. Who will be the first to light the lamp here as play gets underway in the second? Well, we've seen a pretty good sample size already played thus far. Cheryl, your assessment.
Anchorage is showcasing some offensive talents in that opening frame, James. Really dangling with the puck in the offensive zone. A lot of motion, opened up a ton of lanes. They just weren't rewarded. They didn't cash in on those opportunities. They need to shore that up in the second.
And a quick save on that one. Anchorage has got the puck in the defensive end. Poked away at center ice. Fires it. Fantastic save. Buffalo's got it in their own zone. And some nice footwork to free the puck up to his teammate. Loses possession after he takes a little hit. And that one's stopped. Buffalo's got the puck. Handles the pass from the right wing. Quick feed to Bruner. Oh, spectacular save right there. Wow!
Unbelievable. I mean, it was all but in, and he steals it because of that last-ditch attempt to find the puck. Just incredible save, James.
Dionicio's lugging the puck. Anchorage has gained the line and into the zone. Here's a shot. Grabs it with the glove. And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here. Plenty of playing time left in this frame. Still looking for our first goal. And they take possession after the defensive zone faceoff. Uses the force on that hit. Drives to the paint. Scores! Oh, that was a beauty.
He's in a high danger scoring there. He's got a bit of time, but he knows he's going to have coverage come to him right away. So a quick snapshot, and he buries it.
Buffalo's gone up by one here in the second period.
Now, it's been a lot of hard work and heavy lifting to get to this point, just to get that one-goal lead, James. Not only do they want to hold on to it, they want to extend it now.
And he loses both the puck and his balance after that hit. Buffalo's going to play it from the corner. Teed up and turned away on his part. Gains the zone through the middle. Shot! Makes the save. Buffalo's gained possession along the boards. Along the half wall with the puck. And that's deflected off someone in front. The Blizzards will play it from the defensive zone. Here's a short pass to Haas. From the left side, they enter the attacking zone. Poked away in the defensive end. Picking up ahead of steam on the breakaway. Makes the save!
Oh, and this is a great save, James. The goaltender gets to the top of his crease, makes himself look huge, and is extremely aggressive to be able to make that stop.
Takes a shot. Buffalo's got the puck. And now they look to make something happen from the neutral zone. Shot! Oh, spectacular stop there! Takes a couple of knocks and loses control. Picked up along the wall by Maurer. He grabs the puck here at the point. Oh, how did that stay out?
Oh, I don't even know how he made that save, James. That was all but in the net, and complete desperation and complete level to make that one. Oh, well, a save like this, it'll wake up your entire bench. I mean, this is a game changer, James. Talk about change the momentum of the game in a timely save. That's one right there.
The Blizzards need to start finishing on some of these chances here as they're now late in the second. Buffalo's got it in the offensive zone. Takes the puck along the boards. And now he moves it quickly to Maurer. Fans want a shot here in the dying seconds of the period. Time ticking away, and he comes up big. There's the buzzer, bringing period number 2 to a close. Hey, listen, we've got lots more in store here on this broadcast, so don't even think about going anywhere. We'll back with more in a moment. 40 minutes in the books. Big third period coming up for both teams, and we're ready to go. Final frame is underway here. Cheryl, 40 minutes in the books now played. How do you view this one?
The Blizzards have had a ton of grade A scoring chances. They just haven't been able to solve the goaltender. They can't get frustrated. I really like their play. They just got to stick with the game plan and continue to attack the net.
Lots of time left in this period. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. The Blizzards win the faceoff. Buffalo's got the puck in their own end. Moves it up through the middle from the right. Knocked around, but keeps it going. Big hit, and that frees up possession. Taken by Belmar. Brennan's got it in the defensive zone. Takes the feed. Moves it quickly over to Belmar. Muffs the shot attempt. Takes the feed. Picking up momentum across the zone here on the right side. Stopped by the goaltender. Oh, wow! Stops him again. Anchorage has failed to convert on scoring opportunities, and lots of them here in this third period. They win the faceoff here in their own end and take possession. Takes the feed, moving in. Puck grabbed by Belmar. Oh, how did he get a piece of that? The Blizzards gain possession along the wall. Handles the puck. Oh, he's going to get called on that slash. Quick whistle stops the play.
Well, with a 1-goal lead, there's a small margin of error, James, and to protect it, you can't be in the box. Now they're shorthanded, and they got to find a way to kill it off.
Man advantage takes to the ice. It's our first opportunity to get a glance at the special teams unit.
Well, a timely power play at this juncture of the game, James, to even it up. This is huge for this power play. Your big stars, they need to shine.
Collins hangs on for the whistle here in the third.
Well, he's been so confident, controlled all game, a big reason why they're winning. But here, right now, he knows exactly what he does. He's able to hold on to get the face-off.
Anchorage has got the puck inside the offensive zone. Collins has it and hangs on for the whistle, and what a night he's had between the pipes.
Well, another timely save. Love the way he holds on to this puck. He recognizes that he doesn't want to mishandle it, just holds on, makes the safe play. And sometimes the safe one's the right one, especially when you're in a tight game in the third.
Here's a shot. Oh, gets a piece of it with his glove, and it keeps it. Battle along the wall. puck now. Bruner's crossed the line and gained the zone. Oh, they telegraphed the pass, and he picks it off. Puck is cleared out of the defensive zone. Anchorage has got a hold of it along the wall. They go on the attack through center. Feeds it over. Look at this. Big save in front.
Goaltender spends so much time doing tracking exercises, and it's utilized right here as he knows where this puck is coming from, and he makes the save.
Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. Buffalo's lead is still intact after a solid effort by the penalty-killing unit.
Specialty teams are critical, especially when you're down by a goal and you have an opportunity to get the equalizer, and they just weren't able to generate anything on that one. And that's a tough one to take as they remain down by a goal at even strength.
Quick pass to Hofer. The Blizzards looking against the half wall. Moves it to Rundqvist. Buffalo's got it in their own zone.
I was never expected to score, James, so this never really bothered me. I was always on the defensive side of it. But listen, the goaltenders had to make some huge save. Everyone's talking about the chances. How about the tenders and their positioning and the ability to move within the net?
And the goaltender comes up with a piece of it to keep it out of the net. Quick feed to Rundqvist. Feeds it over to Belmar. Here's a shot. Oh, and he reaches out with the glove save. Wow. Anchorage is running out of time. They need to find a goal here quickly as they trail late in the third. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Gaining speed through center, and here they come on the attack. Oh, gets a piece of it with the glove. Late goings of this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Off the face-off, they take the puck. Buffalo's got the puck at center. Shot! Stops it with a glove! Covers it up, we'll get a stoppage in play. This is a face-off they'll definitely want to win here inside the offensive zone. Anchorage has got the puck after winning the defensive zone face-off. Slides the puck into the offensive zone. Stopped by the goaltender. In front of the net, the goaltender covers up for a whistle on the play. A big face-off here inside the offensive end. Under a minute to go in the third. Here he is in front! And he gets just enough of it to keep it out for the back of the net.
This is an impressive save right here, James. I mean, there's a ton of net front presence, and so a lot of traffic that he has to battle through to find the puck, and he does, and he makes a nice save.
Slides the puck over to Heponiemi, and he slides it quickly to Anderson. Oh, great read on the play. There's a collision with some authority. Spectacular stop by the goaltender. How did he hang on to that?
Well, that's an unbelievable save. A great scoring chance taken away as he flashes the leather and makes a stop.
Anchorage has had more shots on goal, but yet they've run into a hot goalie. They trail late in this third period. Buffalo's got it, and they're on the attack. Centering feed, and he denies that great opportunity there. Pass back to the point. Here's a shot, blocked in traffic. And look at this, they've really ratcheted up the intensity here. There's a collision. Time's ticking away, they need a shot. And there it is, this one's all over. They look pretty dialed in between the pipes. Cheryl picking up that shutout.
Yeah, and it was a tough one as well. A lot of shots came his way, but really aggressive, got to the top of his crease. Excellent job.
Fun night at the rink, and for all of us here on the EA Sports team, I'm James Cebulski. Good night.